Ma'am, she do.
So what we are going to do in class today? Subhan is going to do Bhangra and Bharatnatyam, and Ranveer will do Kathak and Kuchipudi.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ranveer, what you are doing actually is Bharatnatyam or Kathak?
I don't know. I'm just dancing.
But you said you will do Kathak and Kuchipudi. I only should see that from you.
I don't know Kuchipudi, but I know what I am doing.
Look at Tanishka do Bharatnatyam. Oh God, she ran away. Subhan is doing Bhangra.
And I'm doing video.
Subhan, now वो Bhangra है ना Bharatnatyam. Okay, break time is over. Come on, let's get to class. So in our life skill class last week, what did we discuss? In our life skill class last week, what did we discuss?
Ma'am. Food.
Yes, my ma'ams. कोई तो मैम बोलो और फिर चुप रहो. क्या है बोलो. Subhan, okay, I can see your eyes. I can also see your cornea, maybe. Oh, I can reach your retina also.
Funny face. Funny faces.
No. What did we do in our life skill class last time?
Ma'am, we learned how to eat food.
You learned how to eat food?
Manners.
Presentation.
What did you say? Presentation. We learned about presentation. We learned about
Yes, stop my video. Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am, yes. Stop all the things.
Wait, my network is going slow. Wait. Can you all hear me now? Is it better? Can you hear me now?
Hello?
Tanishka,
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Tanishka and Pranav, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Wait. My network is having some issue maybe. Wait.
Ma'am, your voice is coming so slow.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Okay, all right.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
So like last week, what Tanishka said, last week we started on the topic of presentation. We were discussing about how important is it to make a good presentation, right? We can generally put food on the plate and serve it to someone, or we can keep it nicely on the plate and present it. Correct? Yes or no? We saw the difference. You all also sent me some pictures of good presentation and better presentation. Correct. Which one did you like yourself? What was good presentation? What was better presentation? You saw it yourself.
Good. Very good presentation.
You always preferred your better presentation, not just the good one. You wanted a better presentation. Remember? Pranav had just folded the clothes randomly, and then in another photograph, he folded it very neatly. So which one was better? Both the clothes were folded. Which was better? The cleanly folded one was better. Correct? Yeah? Ranveer had given two different paintings. One which had no labels, and the other one which was cleanly labeled and properly presented. Obviously, the labeled one, the colored one, was a better presentation. Why do we want to do better presentation? We will see that. I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay. And I want you to answer me some questions. Are we ready for that? Okay. Are we ready for that? Subhan, don't get so close to the screen. Sit up straight.
This is Dr. Ranveer.
Subhan, sit up straight. Don't sit so close to the screen. Sit up straight. Ranveer, go back. I put it off. Bihan, why are you putting yourself on mute? Okay.
Ma'am, can I hear you?
Ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you. Okay. Let's start. Let us start. Let us start. Okay, Pranav, you asked me if this is Ranveer's presentation. No, not at all. None of these are presentations by anybody. I want you to look at these pictures and tell me which one is a good presentation and which one do you think is a wow presentation. Okay? Some pictures and you're going to tell me. This is a picture of a food plate. Is this good or is this wow?
Good. What's that, ma'am?
Okay, you're saying somebody saying this is wow, somebody saying this is good. Remember,
Wow.
it can be either of
What is
them.
that, ma'am?
It can be either of them because it depends upon what you want it to be. Okay, how you like it. मेरा यहाँ पे कुछ कहना नहीं है. If you think it is wow, then good. If you think it's just a good presentation, then fine. It's entirely up to you.
Ma'am, it is good.
Okay.
It's good and it's tasty.
How is this one? This is a
Good.
great topic. Good or wow?
Good. Wow.
No, you can only say one.
Wow.
Is this good or is this wow?
Wow.
Wow, okay. What about this one?
Mommy.
Good. My food like this only.
Good. Good.
Okay, again, some of you are saying good. Vihan, we are only going to answer as good or wow. There's no other talking that will happen right now. There's no other talking that will happen right now. We'll only
Wow.
answer as good or wow.
Good.
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 Like a coconut.
Wow.
Good.
Okay,
Good.
some of you are saying good, some of you are saying wow. All right.
I am a chef. Wow. Wonderful. Wonderful.
Good.
Good. Good.
You
Because
also,
I am a chef.
okay, you also have the choice of saying this. Listen, I said there'll only be two words that will come out of your mouth, either good or wow. Anything more? We are not.
Good.
Okay. Now there is a third category I'm going to introduce here. I'm going to introduce a category which will be not good at all. Okay. So now you have two choices. Listen me out carefully. Good, wow, and not good at all. I am going to go to people one by one and ask their choices on it. Okay. So the others are going to keep quiet. Ranveer, is this good, wow, or not good at all?
Good.
Pranav, good, wow, not good at all.
Good.
Vihan, good, wow, not good at all.
Good. It's so tasty like a noodle.
Tanishka, good, wow, not good at all.
Not good at all.
Ah, there comes some honesty, okay. Subhan, good, wow, not good at all.
Wow. Food is very great.
I am not asking you about the taste because you cannot taste it right now. How does the presentation look?
Wonderful. Wonderful.
The
Wow.
presentation is wonderful. You said you're a chef. The presentation is wonderful. Because you claim yourself to be a chef, I am going to wait for your answer. Are you sure this presentation looks wonderful?
No, I think good. Good.
Okay. All right, Subhan, tell me the next one. Good, wow, not good at all.
Hungry.
Subhan, is
Very
this
good.
good, wow, or not good at all? You're not answering my question. Okay, I'm moving on. Tanishka, good, wow, not good at all.
Not good at all.
Not good at all. Okay, Vihan, good, wow, not good at all.
Not good at all because I don't like rice.
I said you will only give one word answer. You will not go into sentences. Okay, so I'm going to take it as not good. Okay. Pranav, good,
Not good.
not good, not good. Ranveer, good, wow, not good. Ranveer, good, wow, not good.
Man, ask someone else. I'll come back to it.
Okay. Pranav, good, wow, not good. Remember, this is about presentation and not how it tastes. You do not know the taste right now. This is only about
Not
presentation.
good.
Not
Not. I'm good. Good.
okay, good. Okay.
It's good.
So,
Good.
Vihan, you're going with good?
Yeah.
Okay. Tanishka, good, wow, not good.
Good.
Good, okay. Subhan, good, wow, not good.
Wow.
Subhan, you are a chef. I once again want to ask you, because you say you are a chef. Do you think the presentation on the plate is wow? Now you tell me, you said wow for this, for this, for this, and then you come to this plate and tell this is also wow. Now you please explain to me, this is wow, then what is this?
This is good. I think so.
Are
And
you
this is
telling me
wow.
about the taste?
No.
What is this? Good, wow, or not good at all?
Good.
Subhan, what is this? Good, wow, or not good?
Good. 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 Good.
This is also good presentation. You mean to say this is also good presentation of food? मतलब अगर तुमको किसी ने खाना ऐसे दिया तो तुम खा लोगे?
हाँ. खाना तो खाना रहता है.
सुभान,
Respect.
तुमको समझा रही हूँ. This is about presentation that we are talking. Do you think this is good presentation?
It is not good, but I said good.
Come on, Subhan. What is this? You claim to be a chef and you are telling me it is not good, but it is good. What is the meaning of that?
Means in taste it is good.
How do
but
you know the
in
taste?
look,
You haven't even put your lick on it. How do you know the taste?
it is looking very nice.
Subhan, again, you are confusing the presentation with the taste. The taste has nothing to do with
Not
it. I'm only asking about presentation.
Not good. Not good. Not good.
I'm going to repeat myself again and again and again. We are only talking about presentation, kids. We are not talking about the taste of food. Okay, Subhan, good presentation, wow presentation, or not good presentation?
No. Very bad presentation.
No, but it
Ulti aa
tastes
gayi.
good. Then will your answer change if it tastes good?
No, because it is a goat meat. And goat.
Tanishka, what is your opinion about Tanishka?
Not good at all.
No, Tanishka, now I'm not going to ask you questions because I think you're more interested with the person who's sitting next to you. Vihan, is this good, wow, or not good?
It's good. It's good.
It's good? Oh, okay. Pranav, good, wow, or not?
Good.
Good, okay.
Good.
Ranveer, good, wow, or not good?
Worst presentation ever.
Worst presentation ever. Oh dear. Okay, I'm going to go to the next one. Now it's no more to do with food. It's about a shop. Okay. Look at the shop and tell me, how do you like the display in this shop? Good, wow, or not good?
Wow.
Wow. Okay. Pranav, how about you? What is your thought? Good?
Wow.
Wow. Okay. Vihan, what about you?
It's good.
It's good? Okay, fine. Tanishka, I'm going to ask you then. Good? Wow, or not good? Wow.
Wow.
Okay. Subhan, good? Wow or not good?
Wow.
Wow. All right. Let's go to this one. Ranveer, good? Wow, not good?
What, ma'am?
What is this presentation? Good? Wow, not good?
Good.
Okay. Pranav, good? Wow, not good?
Good. Good.
Okay. So from wow, you guys have come down to good. Okay. Tanishka, you tell me.
Good.
Good. Okay. Subhan, you tell me.
Worst presentation ever.
So not good at all. Okay. Where is Vihan? Where did Vihan go? Oh, did he leave?
Log out.
Okay. He disconnected. All right. Now, Subhan, how is this presentation? Good? Wow, not good?
Very good.
Very good. Okay. Tanishka, your turn.
Good.
Good. Okay. Not wow. All right. Pranav, your turn.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. Ranveer, your turn.
Wow. So good.
Wow. Okay. Next one. Ranveer, your turn. Good. Wow. Not good at all.
Not good at all.
Pranav, what about you?
Good.
Good. Okay. Tanishka, what about you? Tanishka is also saying good. Okay. Subhan, what about you?
Good.
Good. Okay.
Worst presentation ever.
Is this the worst presentation you're saying, or did you just say it's good?
Not good.
Not good.
Mama,
Okay.
good.
What?
Mama, I've done good.
Yes. Now, Ranveer, tell me, how is this presentation of a vegetable shop? Now we are going to see a few vegetable shops. Good? Wow, not good.
Awesome.
Go with wow. Pranav, what about you?
Good.
Good. Tanishka, what about you?
Not good.
You think this presentation is not good?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, sure. Subhan, good, not good, wow.
Wow.
Wow, okay. Do you see that these vegetables are kept in a line over here? But this on top, what you see here on top, that is actually a mirror, okay? So what it is doing, it is giving the effect of making the vegetable looks twice as what it is. ये है टमाटर इतना ही, पर ऐसे लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे भी रखा हुआ है. ये है मिर्च इतना ही, पर ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे यहाँ पे भी रखा हुआ है. You see that? That's the effect of presentation. They have used mirrors to make it look more. Do you understand? See the use of mirrors to make the things look more. Okay. How is this presentation, Ranveer? Good? Wow, not good.
Not good at all.
Not good. Pranav, good? Wow, not good.
Not good at all.
Not good at all. Oh, okay. Tanishka, your turn.
Not good at all.
Subhan, your turn.
Wow.
Wow. ये wow है. Okay. All right.
Indian. Indian is sitting like this. Salute.
Subhan, I did not ask you who is sitting or how it is around. I asked you how is the vegetable presentation. You have to remember to keep the point in mind. Don't move away from the topic. We are not trying to check whether a Chinese is sitting there or an American is sitting there or an Indian is sitting there. I'm asking you about the presentation of the vegetables. Good? Wow
Bad.
or not good?
Good, good.
Okay, fine. Ranveer, your turn. Good, wow or not good?
Wow.
Pranav?
Good.
Good. Subhan?
Good.
Tanishka?
Wow.
Wow. See how neatly they have been arranged in single lines and kept over there. Now tell me the next one. Ranveer, how is this looking? Good? Wow, not good.
Ma'am, ask someone else, I'll come to it.
No. You think and tell me now.
Good.
Pranav?
Good.
Good. Subhan?
Wow.
Copying mine.
Subhan, I am not asking you for the taste of the tomato or the dudi. You have to tell me how does the presentation look.
Good.
Tanishka?
Not at all.
Not at all good. Oh, okay. Okay. Now, Tanishka, you tell me how is this looking?
Wow.
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 Okay. Subhan, how is this looking?
Wow.
Pranav, how is this looking?
Wow. Them all are wow.
Ranveer, how is this looking?
Wow.
And Ranveer, what will be your rating for this? Good, wow, or not good?
Okay.
Okay. Pranav, how about you?
Good.
Good? Okay. Subhan, you?
Good.
Tanishka, you?
Good.
Good. So you guys are going to now tell me, what do you, 1 minute. We are going to take another 5 minutes before we close the session. बहुत सारा खाना देख लिया, अब भूख लग रहा है, but I want to close the session with this. So according to you, what is a good presentation?
Man, good better.
Okay.
Good can be better.
Kids, you have to take your turns. So it will be first Ranveer, Pranav, Subhan, Tanishka. Tell me, Ranveer.
Ma'am, according to me, good presentation is to keep something properly, but all things are falling here and there.
Kept properly. Okay. Pranav, what is your point?
Ma'am, they are better. And they are very good.
A good presentation is very good. That's not a very great sentence making. You have to tell me what do you understand by good presentation. क्या दिखता है?
Ma'am, clean and neat work.
Clean and neat work. Okay. Subhan, what about you? What is good presentation?
Ma'am, good presentation kept things on a one side in a proper way.
Okay, Tanishka, what about you? What do you understand by the word good presentation? What is it for you?
Good presentation is good. It is kept betterly, but sometimes it is not properly. Sometimes it is lined, but it is not kept. I will show you. It is kept. How we put a newspaper that like we kept, but we don't keep in otherwise like this. Because of that, I'm
So this is what you're trying to say. These are stacked but not in order.
Yes.
Okay. So Ranveer, what according to you is a wow presentation? When will you say that this is really wow?
Kept in a neat position. Wait. No. Kept really properly.
The positioning is right. Okay. What else?
No. Position is in a right manner.
Okay. Pranav, what do you think is wow presentation?
When they are more better than good.
No, I'm not going to write that. Better than good. I'm not going to take that. You give me proper explanation of what is wow presentation.
When they are neat from good.
No, I'm not going to take that. Give me better words. Wow presentation क्या होता है? You saw this. You saw this. This is wow. Most of you said this is wow presentation. Then you saw
Ma'am, can
this. You saw this, and this is wow presentation. Then
They are kept in a proper way.
they are kept in a proper way. That will also be good presentation. Also, they are kept in a proper way. See, kept properly. That's good presentation.
When they are more kept in proper way.
They are more kept in
When-
proper way.
When good presentation is like better.
ma'am,
कुछ मजा नहीं आया प्रणव. I want to come back to you. Think of a good sentence. Tanishka, you tell me.
Your punchline. Pranav, give a punchline.
ma'am, my chance
Oh, sorry,
it is.
Subhan, tell me. Subhan, tell me.
Ma'am, my is it is kept in a stylish way to attract the people.
Kept to attract. Ah, that's a very good word I was looking out for. Good. So see, in this picture, इधर भी सब्जी ही बेच रहे हैं, इधर भी सब्जी ही बेच रहे हैं, but इधर attractive तरीके से सब्जी बेच रहे हैं. Got it? हाँ कि ना? See, I was looking for such adjectives. That is what makes the difference in a wow presentation. Kept to attract. Okay, what else, Tanishka?
Things are stacked in order.
Stacked in order. Can you come up with something else, please?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
When they are arranged in arranging order. To small to big. From small to big.
Better than good
Huh?
and arranged from small to big.
That are arranged in line.
Okay, fine. I am not entirely satisfied with your answers, but I'm going to leave it at that right now. When we meet in our next life skill class, I'm going to show you something which will help you understand how do you identify a wow presentation. If those questions and answers ko sab tick ho jata hai, then it is going to be a wow presentation. We'll discuss this in our next class, okay? All right. So we are done for today. Thank you for your time. Yes.
Bye.
Bolo.
Don't forget, we want to do something tomorrow.
Don't forget, of course, I will not forget tomorrow. We are not doing Genius Kids class. We are going to do excavation. I will not forget. Okay?
But tomorrow anything
Bye.
application class will be there.
Tomorrow analytics, but tomorrow is not analytics and application.
Ma'am,
On Thursday.
That is on Thursday. Tomorrow is showtime. You will be
Bye.
getting for showtime today.